Good afternoon, my friends. Happy Saturday to all of you. So today, there are huge updates on the fourth round of stimulus checks. Top Democrats and Republicans are also now teaming up to propose a brand new relief legislation. A benefit increase has been approved for some low and middle income households. So friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for everything that you need to know about this additional assistance. Also know that I'll be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. To enter the giveaways, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the $75 gift card. Thank you so much, my friends.
And so as a senior Republican on the Small Business Committee, I am working very hard to find ways to help our small businesses and really get big government off of their backs. What I would like to see, of course, is unleashing more American energy and increasing innovation. And so much of that innovation does come from our small businesses. So now the Democrats, of course, had a bit of bad news again this last week with the GDP this last quarter slipping another 1.4%. That is bad news across the board. And what we need to see, again, is really focusing on ways that we can build up small businesses, unleash the economy. But what their answer is, as Democrats with Leader Schumer, is to say, we need to raise your taxes and spend more money as a federal government. And folks, I'm here to tell you, it hasn't worked in the past year plus of the Biden administration. It's not going to work when Americans and small businesses are hurting.
So a deadline is quickly approaching for eligible Americans to apply for new $1,400 stimulus checks. Residents could receive the one-time payments if they meet eligibility requirements and are selected as part of a lottery. Johnson County, Iowa's stimulus lottery is funded by President Biden's $3.5 million American Rescue Plan. Johnson County's Direct Assistance Program is providing financial assistance to eligible low to moderate income residents who have been directly affected by this crisis. Those who meet the criteria can now apply. Residents must submit their application and supporting documents through the online portal. However, friends, according to state officials, submitting an application will not guarantee that you will receive the stimulus fund. To be eligible, you must be an Iowa resident and must have resided in Johnson County since March 2020. You must also have an income in the low to moderate range based on the program's income requirements. Applicants must also show that they were impacted by the crisis through unemployment, food insecurity, housing insecurity, or exclusion from the federal stimulus programs. So now, friends, the state of New Mexico is also giving out money to help New Mexico residents deal with the rising cost of living and very high gas prices. So under this bill, lawmakers passed in a special session. Most New Mexico residents are eligible for cash rebates between $500 and $1,000. The tax rebates are the state's way of giving back to New Mexico residents amid record revenues from the oil and gas industry. Lawmakers passed a broad rebate bill during a single-day legislative session on April 5th, and the New Mexico governor signed the bill into law on April 8th. How much you can receive depends on your tax status. Regardless of how much money you make, heads of household, surviving spouses, and married individuals who file joint returns will receive a total of $1,000. Individual filers and married individuals who file separately will receive a total of $500. So these payments will be split into two parts. While the legislation formally outlines delivery of the first payment as no later than June 30th, 2022, The first payment is supposed to come as soon as possible. Charlie Moore, who's a spokesperson for the state's taxation and revenue department, says they don't yet have an exact date for when the New Mexico residents will see their payments. But he says that the first payments should go out in June, and the second payments should go out in August of this year. For people who didn't file taxes, you are also eligible for the relief. Homes with married couples can get $1,000. Single individuals will receive $500. To be eligible for these rebates or relief payment, you have to be a New Mexico resident. You also have to have a Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Finally, you cannot be a dependent of another individual to receive these funds. Friends, the key word for this video is Toronto. If you would like to enter tomorrow's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Toronto, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. So friends, here is some breaking news. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi announced that the House will now require staffers to get a paid minimum salary of $45,000. She told reporters, "I am pleased to announce that the House will, for the first time ever, set the minimum annual pay for staff at $45,000. With a competitive minimum salary, the House will be better able to retain and recruit excellent talent. Doing so will open the doors to public service for those who may not have been able to afford to do so in the past." House lawmakers will have until September 1st, 2022 to enact the new salary change. Nancy Pelosi said the maximum House staffer pay was also bumped up to $203,700 to match the Senate. Previously, there was no salary floor in Congress, with some staffers being paid as low as $30,000 a year. So my friends, what are your thoughts about the salary changes to House staffers? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my wonderful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate every single one of you who are watching my videos daily. The winner of yesterday's giveaway is Wanda Yancey. Congratulations, my friend. If I have announced you as a winner, please check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can send me a message on my Facebook page to claim the gift card. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Mother's Day weekend.